Notifications are now working on your iPhone after updating iOS 17. Don't need to worry. In this video, I'll show you a complete guideline to fix the notification sound issue after the recent update. So let's get started with the video. Before we get started, please check these quick settings. Turn off the silent mode. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Turn off the battery low power mode. After that, try out the following settings for your iPhone. Method 1. Ensure that turn on the Allow Notification option for your device. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Notification. Scroll down. Tap on any app that you are having issues with. And ensure that turn on Allow Notification. Scroll down. Enable the sound option from here. Quickly after that, scroll down a little. Tap More Notification Settings for the individual app. Make sure to enable all settings from here. Also make sure to change or select your sounds from here. After that, your problem will be solved. But if you still have any issues, please try out the next processes. Method 2. Turn off the restriction on your iPhone. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Turn it off. Method 3. Enable Text Tone on your iPhone. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Sounds and Haptics. Tap Text Tone. Select your favorite tone from here. If you still have issues, Method 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. But make sure this will reset all of your settings and will back to default values. Tap Reset all settings again. One of these processes will fix notification sound issue on your iPhone. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.